Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Ma ba'du. This question I will take to presentation internship at Globalindo Pandawa Teknologi. Will be discussed: 1. Introduction and 2. Company story. 3. Theoretical basis for activity at the company, and the last, closing. Chapter 1. Introduction. The era is growing from time to time, especially with the increasingly sophisticated technology that exists. With increasingly sophisticated technology, competition in the world of work is also becoming more stringent because individuals have varied and diverse skills that are needed as a person to face the competition. Dan based the exceeding competition, Madinatulquran vocational high school students are required to prepare themselves by gaining experience through street vendor activities so that they are not mastered in theory but also ready in practice. Next slide. Okay, internship purpose. One, provide opportunities for students to get know and know, know and know about the industrial world. Number two, become a media of application of learning obtained from school to be applied in the industrial world. Three, improving cooperative relation between school and related institution. Four, add and develop basic knowledge. And the last, provide real experience for students. Okay, next slide. Internship benefit. One, there is can add to the basic knowledge that students have. Number two, can form constructive mindset for student. Number three, can form an ethos for student or for sharpen the skill given by the vocational schools. Okay, chapter 2, company story. Story. Company PT Globalindo Pandawa Teknologi. The main business is focused on network security system and data center solution, which includes implementation, consulting, and dissemination based on professionalism and scientific approach. PT Globalindo Pandawa Teknologi was founded in 216 in Jakarta by Mr. Divatmoko and also Mr. Guno Prasetyo. Then its establishment in 216 until now, PT Global Indo Pandawa Technology has won the trust of foreign parties, but government and private against. Every service to its interest is always carried out properly and responsible so that the executing service product can satisfy the customer. Vision and mission. A vision to become a trusted and reliable partner in implementing business development to encourage the company's competitive with a scientific approach. B, eh, B, mission. One, attention to client needs satisfying is the goal of service. Two, providing competitive business solution based on real data information technology. Three, to increase the company at value for benefit of our stakeholders. This is organizational structure. Director Mr. Guno Prasetyo, Manager Operasional Mr. Dwi Fatmoko, there is accounting Mr. Putri Dia Primandasi, Hardi Announcement Triwing Mr. Triwiningsi, Miss Miss Triwiningsi. There is engineering, business and product. The business is focused on networking, security and data center solution, which includes consulting, design, implementation, and maintenance based on professional and scientific approach. The theoretical basis. learn about security system and database CCTV is surveillance system or monitoring on an area using video camera installed in certain place. But shall use CCTV, increase security, monitor employee activity, protect company asset, security evidence, prevent security incident, business activity archive. And VR, network video recorder, is a recording device based on Ethernet protocol used as recording medium for recording all activities captured by IP camera. What's what we use in VR because easy to use and configure flexible placement, more comfortable, high quality videos. Next set, okay, sensor fingerprint is a technology is device that use fingerprint as medium for identi- identification. While why should use sensor fingerprint? Reduce the potential for fraud, improve employee performance analysis, employee improvement only with a smartphone and internet connection, data accuracy and speed. Chapter 5, internship activity. Time and price practicing carry out street vendor starting on Monday, August 9, 2021 from 8 o'clock to 5 p.m. Active airplane, but 5 practitioners are played at PT Globalindo Pandawa Teknologi as street vendor practitioner are declared to Mr. Dwi Fatmo. Co-manager of PT Globalindo Pandawa Teknologi and Mas Agus, Mr. Agus as operation street vendors. Material and tool. This, this is material and tool was carry to site. Supporting factor one, there we get of learning or get a lot of learning new thing according to the fact and the last feeling tight from her work. Obstacle factor one, difficult access due to traffic jam. Two, the internet is something problematic. Weekday, Monday until Friday, we go PT, go company 8 o'clock and go home 5 a.m. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. This routine activity, learning about security system and database, practicing about security system and database, practicing lesson on site. Consul, conclusion. After carrying out the internship, we have gained a lot of work experience and knowledge. If at school we are taught various volcanoes theories, then during internship that theory will be used as the basic for carrying out activity or practice. In essence, current activities are very useful for developing what is taught in school. Procurement can be referred to as complement and maturation or stabilization process later when you are already involved in the world of work. Suggestion 1 for students who take part in procurement activity, be diligent is asking the person in charge when confused and get problem or things that cannot be overcome by student. Two, it's advisable for students to choose a place for practicing according to their field of expertise. Three, filling in daily journal should be done routinely every day so as not pile up of work. For students who have complete practicing should be able to share experience with or other through education from facility by the school. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.